Here it is. Y'all go say hey?
What up, everybody?
Okay. This right here is where they play football. My cousin Achilles, brother Adele, other brother, Rashawn. My phone a little glitchy. But this is the weird thing. I keep on hearing stuff out of these. That's the weird thing, is I can't go inside because I don't know what's in there. So that's right there, the weird thing. But I'm gonna just show you how we do it in the morning. We play football. I'll spend the night.
Hold on, wait a minute. Let me do this.
For real, I still hear that noise. It feel like it's getting closer. Hey, we should do this at nighttime if we still here. Hey, y'all, we should do this at nighttime if we still here. Yeah, we should do this at nighttime. If we do it at nighttime, it's gonna be way more scarier. Like at daytime. So I'm gonna get back to you when it's nighttime. Stay tuned for the video. Peace.